Hello friends, Sat Sri Akal. Today I am here in Pawa Khakhat village, just 3 kilometers from Sanewal in Ludhiana at the famous Gugamadi Mela. This fair is not just an event, it is a celebration of faith, food, family and memories. And for me personally, it's festival that connect my childhood to my present. This Mela is dedicated to Guga Peerji, also known as Guga Veer or Guga Ji, who is remembered as a protector against snake bites and other danger. Every year, people come here with the deep devotion, many standing in long lines to offer prayers, to scoop earth at the shrine, and to seek blessing for the health and safety of their family. Some even bring snakes to worship as a part of age old tradition. The belief is strong that whoever comes here with pain, sorrow, or suffering, Gugapitji listen to their prayer and they find relief. That is why this fair has continued for generations. I myself have seen it for the last 20 to 25 years, but it has been here much longer, carried forward by our elders, by faith and by community. But beyond the devotion, the Mela is also about joy and togetherness. As you walk through, you saw rows of stalls selling toys, clothes, bangle, and everyday items. The air is filled with delicious smell of crispy pakoras and hot jalebis, which are a must for anyone visiting here. People line up not only for prayers but also for these flavors that remind us of home. There are also fun rides for children, giant wheel, merry-go-round swings, each ride filled with laughter, each corner filled with music and celebration. To be very honestly, for me, this Mela is more than just a fair. It is my childhood playground. I still remember coming here as a little boy with only a few coins in my pocket. I couldn't buy everything, so I would spend hours walking from stall to stall, looking at toys, sweets, and rides, carefully deciding what I could afford. Sometimes it was a toy, sometimes a jalebi, but every little purchase felt like a treasure. The rest I just enjoyed by looking, by dreaming, by keeping the joy in my heart. Those memories are so alive that even today, when I came here, I feel that same wonder of a child. And today I came here again, but this time with my family, with my little son. Watching him explore the same rides, the same stall makes me emotional. He has so many options in front of him, and I can give him more than I ever had as a child. But still, in his curious eyes, I see myself. In his smile, I see my own childhood smile. It feels like life has completed a circle. From being a child in this Mela to now being a father, guiding my son through the same fair. That is why this place is so special, because it carries not just my memories but now my son's memories too. Friends, there are many melas in Punjab, but this Gugamadi Mela of Pawa Khakad has a deeper connection with me, because when you grow up with something in your childhood, those memories never leaves you. This fair has been a witness to my childhood, my youth, and now my journey as a parent. It's a blend of faith and festivity, of prayers and pakoras, of devotion and yeah, jalebi, of course, the rides and laughter. It is a place where people come with pain and leave with hope, where families comes with memories and leave with the new ones. And for me, it will always remain a part of who I am. So whenever you get a chance to visit this Mela, come with your children, with your family, and you too feel the magic. This fair is not just a fair, it is a tradition, a memory, and a heartbreak of our culture. And friend, this journey does not stop here. My next stop will be Chapar, where another very famous Mela is held. I will be visiting there soon and sharing another video with all of you so that together we can keep reliving our tradition, our culture, and our memories. So, whenever you get a chance, do visit this Mela. Come with your children, with your family, and you too will feel the magic. This is not just a fair, it is a tradition, a memory, and a heartbeat of our culture. Thank you so much. We'll meet you in the next video. Bye bye.